What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video. Now today we are back on the S13 and we've got something a little bit special for you in the box down by there. And you probably see my really real Nardi steering wheel is also off, so that's a bit of a hint of what's going on today. But apart from that, we've also got to finish up some tedious jobs on this, such as finishing off this one quarter. Might give the doors a sand. Don't actually know where my doors have got up. There's my doors. We might give those a sand as well. The main focus today is showing you what's in this box and getting that on because it's really cool, and then we can get on with the rest of the less exciting, boring stuff, but we're gonna make it entertaining for you, so no need to worry about that. And also, if you watched last video, you'll see we painted our raise wheels, and oh my god, these are looking so good. I haven't painted the other two because I'm going to see Tyler tomorrow about those wheels, because I have got to return one of them to get the correct size because it was a bit of a mix-up, but that's all going to be sorted tomorrow. And again, the other wheel looking fresh and covered in dirty water now. Brilliant. Let's just get straight into what's in this box, shall we? So as you can see, it is from Option Drift. I have opened it. We've got a white bag. Wow, this is actually so difficult doing this one-handed. What the hell? And there we have it. Lovely Option steering wheel, Option Drift along the top, aggressive driving around the bottom, and some wicked flames. Now, I think this is going to look absolutely perfect on the 13, because look at that. Got the yellow and orange accents to go with the yellow car. Oh my god. That's going to look absolutely wicked with the black interior. So let's go ahead and start swapping this over to the boss that's on this. Definitely not fake Nardi steering wheel. And we'll have a look, see what it looks like in the car. Boss is now off, so we're just going to chuck it onto this one. And would you just look at that lovely Alcantara. This is going to get absolutely bogging in about 2 seconds, but it is going to look pretty good for the first 5 minutes. So let's get this in there. Right, now before we put that on there, I have to put this back on the car because I don't know which way is the top and I don't want the steering wheel being upside down. So we'll have a quick check now. Actually, it might be easier to do this in the car because it will be on the thing. So we'll have a quick look in here now if that wants to... No? Is that broken? There we go. That very battered looking one is the top one, so take that back off. Yeah, it was that one, that's the top. So we'll line it up with the center of the steering wheel and get that on. In, ready? We're just gonna do some YouTube magic and there we have it, onto the boss. Now, what I was thinking with these black bolt hardware, I'm not too sure whether or not I should go like red or orange anodized bolts instead of black. I'm not too sure. So if you guys want to let me know down below what you suggest, keep them black or go for the red and orange anodized bolts, because I'm a bit torn on what to do with that. Regardless, wheel is looking beautiful, so let's get this in the car. Yeah, that is, I'm going to say that's looking pretty gangster. Yeah, that's the one. I don't think it gets much better than an Option Drift steering wheel in red and orange on the yellow car. It's very subtle, but I think it just brings that interior a little bit more together, and especially with, I got a full black interior going in this. So it's gonna be proper Bumblebee-esque, but I am stuck on what colour seat to go for. I've been looking at a couple black seats, a couple yellow seats, like black back with yellow fabric, so I'm a bit torn on that. I don't want to overdo it with the yellow, but I also don't want to look in basic. So that is a yellow S13. It's a little bit out there, as is, but that bit's done, so let's get straight on to the other bits we need to get done today, and we're very close. Very close to having this running, driving at all done. We're still waiting on the harness. That'll be going now very shortly in the next 2 weeks or so. You guys definitely do not want to miss this thing ripping about the streets. So let's get on with the other bits and we'll talk a bit more later. And there we have it. Last quarter is all sanded, all nice and smooth. I'm so done with bodywork now. I absolutely hate it. And as you can see, I'm covered in heaps of white powder. And no, it's not what you think it is. It is filler dust. Absolutely lovely. But it doesn't come out too bad. It's all smooth enough. So I still need to take these panels down to work and get them painted. I've just been procrastinating with other bits because of how much I hate bodywork. But that's done. We've just got the doors left to do. They only need a quick light sanding and they're ready for paint. So I'm not going to worry about those right now. But just look how good this car is looking. This thing is looking so good. I think the white wheels were definitely the right choice. As you can see, it's under a bit of a cover because our roof is severely leaking. So we are gathering some water there. I'll empty it out later. Car is getting very, very close and I can't wait for you guys to see it. But I'm gonna try head up to one of the boys' units, see if anyone's up there, see if they can have a hand. So I will see you up there in a minute. Right, now, so quickly before we head off to go see Brandon and a lot to see if they're up there, I would just like to show you guys this. So last week, the other night, there was a couple of individuals who come up and decided they wanted to torch the Sierra. But the police are involved. We don't really know who did it. We know they came not too long after we left. They come flying down the lane in a car, come at the torched it, and we're gone. So fire people came up, and to be fair, they stopped the rest of the damage. But as you can see, all the trees are burnt. How close this could have been to take in everything. Got quite a lot of money worth in our unit. And you know, with any sort of fire, it is really scary. And we've got extremely lucky with how contained the fire was and how fast the firemen got here to put this out and make sure everything was fine. But yeah, it is a bit disheartening. Very lucky no one was hurt and we're all good and the unit's sound, because that would have been the last thing we wanted to hear, because when I had the phone call saying there was a fire at the unit, I had all sorts of different things going through my head, and I'm very lucky it was just the Sierra and it was a bit of an isolated incident, we believe. But enough about that, rather muck about. So we'll see you in a minute. So they are up here. That's one bagged Altea, which is pretty much Golf Plus. Very interesting vehicle. Such a shame this thing is just rotting away. Hopefully one day this will be back on the road. Hello. What's going on?
Dodgy shit.
Dodgy shit?
Dodgy shit.
Oh no. What sort of dodgy shit?
You don't know.
Oh no.
We're making wheel spacers because we done a four-way ride on Macaulay's car last night, and the last thing that stopped us at last 1 in the morning was wheel spacers to the front.
So now we're making spacers.
I had 5x112s, but these are 57.1 and we need 66.4, is it?
66.6, yeah.
Yeah, something like that. But it will be centre because this fit dead perfect in there. And then what you do, you wind that onto that little bit of thread there, and it goes straight down.
And it goes straight for the
So
arm.
it will be centre, but we're just going to wait for more batteries to charge now because they are smoked. Check out the...
Tall man, have the camera.
Oh man. Yeah, we're still finishing off, but we've got the compressor on the back with the tank, and then the management. Follow me, Finn. Rear bags installed.
Oh wow.
The adjustable dampers. We won't talk about this, the install process where we Mac.
Was it really nice and easy?
It was, yeah, not fun at all.
Very nice.
But nice.
Yeah, you?
That smells like arse.
It's just your breath, mate.
Ah, it's your breath, mate.
Don't touch it because it's fucking hot.
Well, I got.
It's fucking boiling.
Lick it.
Hot.
How many likes for you to lick it?
One.
One.
But I think I'd take my tongue off. But look how centre that is, though, fair play.
Yeah, boy.
Obviously, she's not going to be hub-centric now, but she fit.
Sketcy shit with Drop Links Automotive.
Whoa, don't plug a business now. Do it at the end of this outside.
We're literally doing this to get my car off the run.
Oh boy, I think that's going to be perfect.
That might be.
Yeah.
You're sitting on the tyre there. Might need a little pull. I've got an arch roller.
Pretty perfect though, isn't it?
Yeah, to be fair.
Some fitment though. So he's gonna be like, why your eyebrows smell of smoke? Well, that is a real cool little boot build, that is. Oh my god. Couldn't even get a playing card in there. Oh, well, you can't even see the tyre. Yeah, that is decked.
Drop links automotive.
Drop Links Automotive will drop your car on his ass.
Hold on.
Ah, my
Oh,
toe!
shit.
Wait.
Oh. Fucking dropped bags automotive. I thought you quit. Right, just leaving Brandon's now. The bags are looking pretty cool, actually. I'm not a big, huge fan of bags on cars, but it has made it look pretty cool. But anyway, if you guys did enjoy the video, then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what sort of videos you want to see. Follow me on Instagram by here, KSwapFin. You see loads of cool stuff going on over there. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.